So as we age and we lose the structure here, you tend to get a divot here, right? So you kind of have, it's not even, it's not smooth anymore. But not only does that happen and just aesthetically not look nice, it's no longer holding up this area of your mouth. So you tend to get the downturned mouth, and you have compression here. By adding the smallest amount of filler to your oral commissars, you even this back out, but you also create a little shelf that's holding these outer edges of your lips turned upwards, giving you a really nice, soft, pretty look. Next up, it's the temples. As we age, we will all get a lot of hollowing in the temple area. So first of all, it's not necessarily a really attractive look. So it just looks better, more youthful when you add volume. But by adding volume to this area, you then lift this back up because you've filled in this hollow space. The skin becomes more taut and you create this nice lifted look to your skin. That mid face, which is so hard to treat, especially bulky chipmunk look. To help lift and even this,